Here we go. Woo!
In this picture, you can see that I have two different colors of pinto beans. The ones in my left hand are lighter and the ones in my right hand are darker. They say that the darker the bean, the older they are. So if you cook with a darker type of pinto bean, your food might not taste as well as you would like it to. I put 6 cups of water and 2 cups of beans. So what you do is, of course, you clean the beans out. You make sure it's clean of any rocks or any weird looking beans. And I have my crock pot set to high. This is a garlic clove, some onion, and this is some bacon fat. I put half a tablespoon of bacon fat in here. So this is after 3 hours of cooking. I'm gonna open the pot here. At this point, I like to take out the little weird beans that kind of stayed behind and throw them out because they float to the top and you can see them. Okay, so we're going in with the salt. This is 1 tablespoon. Use salt to your taste. Try not to mix them around so much because the mixing is what breaks them apart. So I like to add the salt and just kind of like stir it a little. This is what your beans look like after 3.5 hours of cooking. What I do is I turn them off now. And you might think, well, they're not done, but I turn them off and I let them cook in the water until they cool down and then they'll be perfect. But you know, as you can see, they're just about done. So this is after 2 hours of resting. So your beans are done now. They're still warm. You can eat them straight out of the la olla, which is really good. I like to eat them like that. Or you can refry them, smash them, do whatever you would like. Enjoy!